Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a Super Mario Brothers themed cake. This was a special request from my husband, of all people, so let's get started.
I started out by frosting a sheet cake dummy with white vegan American buttercream. I had printed an image of Mario and Luigi, so I placed it on the cake and traced around the images to make an impression on the buttercream. It kind of worked. Then I traced the lines with black buttercream in a piping bag with a small round tip. All the other colors had small star tips except white, which had no tip. I added some yellow on the overalls and white on the gloves and eyes. I added blue in the eyes and overalls. I added brown on the shoes. Green on Luigi's shirt and hat. Red on Mario's shirt and hat. I added a dollop of white and used a toothpick to make the letters M and L. I added the last details and wrote Mario on the front of the cake in different colors, surrounded it with black. Then I piped the word super on the sides. Then I alternated colors in stars on the edge of the cake. I think this cake is playful and fun. It didn't take that long, and it turned out cute. For any Super Mario Brothers fans out there. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.